Fuck yeah. That was decent. Ooh, holy shit, that's so fucking scary, dude. I gotta go faster. My fucking mom. I knew she was gonna be here. Hey, Mom. Not a backflip. Hey, can you help me get this up? What? I told you my parents are fucking crazy. What? Okay, yo, can you help me grab the front end of this?